To send Bitcoin from the Coinbase app to another wallet, start by downloading the Coinbase app from the App Store. Search for Coinbase at the top of the page, and select the main app from the results, which will also include the Coinbase Wallet app. Once downloaded, the Coinbase app will appear on your mobile device. Open the app and sign in to your existing account or create a new one. From there, click on the Transfer button. Then select Bitcoin and choose the Send Crypto option. Next, you can select a contact, scan the recipient's QR code, or enter their email, phone number, crypto address, or ENS name. After selecting the recipient, enter the amount of crypto you'd like to send and confirm the transaction. This process will allow you to successfully send Bitcoin to another wallet.